Alright, now I know you guys were having some problems the last time I did a video. I was doing it out in 110 degree heat, in which, boy, that's a bad thing to do. But we're going to try to solve this little problem because I didn't realize that a lot of you people just weren't used to the FOIL method of mathematics. Okay, let's just start with something simple here. Okay, we have 9 times 3, which is 27. Any calculator will tell you that. But let's say we want to split this up. Well, 6 plus 3 is 9, and 6 minus 3 is 3. And if you take 6 plus 3 times 6 minus 3, you'll get 27. How do you do that? Well, remember, this 6 plus 3 and this 6 minus 3 are in parentheses. So we're going to solve what's in parentheses first, then we're going to solve the rest. Well, 6 plus 3, of course, is 9. 6 minus 3, of course, is 3. And that gives you the same 9 times 3, which is, of course, 27. Now, let's use the FOIL method to solve this thing. FOIL means first, outer, inner, last. The first two terms, there's the 6 here, here's the 6 here. If we multiply 6 and 6 together, we get 36 right there. If we multiply this 6 here and this 3 here, we're going to get a negative 18. Okay, because a negative times a positive is always going to be a negative. Now, if we take this 6 here times this 3 here, we're going to get a positive 18. I'll let you see that here. And then, if we take the final terms, which are positive 3 and negative 3 together, and we multiply them together, well, 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Well, 36 minus 18 plus 18 plus minus 9 is going to give you 27. We can prove this because 18 plus negative 18 is 0, and 36 minus 9 is 27, which is what we were looking for in the first place. But now what we're going to do is we're going to replace the 6 with an X. We're just going to put that 6 in a disguise, okay? It's that simple. I'm sure you can see this by now. We're going to put the X as a disguise. Alright, so the 6 is really there. It's just disguised as X right now. Alright, so if we have X plus 3 and X minus 3, which equal 27, well, X times X is X squared. And 3X, well, you have the negative 3X here because you're going to take this X times this negative 3. Okay? And then you're going to take this positive 3 times this X here, and you have negative 3X plus positive 3X, and they cancel each other out. Well, if you take that 3 times that negative 3, you're going to come up with negative 9. Okay. Well, we already know that the 3x here and the 3x here cancels each other out, so we're left with x squared minus 9, which equals 27. Well, if we add 9 to both sides of this equation, we're going to get x squared, which is going to equal 36. Well, the square root of 36 is 6. 6 times 6 is 36. So basically, we've gotten the same answer. We just used the FOIL method to do it. Now, I'm going to tell you more in a future video, so stay tuned.